the 7. The, when we are talking about the walls of Babylon, the walls were so thick. And when we talk about them, if you read the scripture, we're going to read the scripture and the verses and other things. In Exodus, let's read Exodus chapter 8, verse 19.
Then the magician said to Pharaoh, "This is the finger of God." But Pharaoh's heart grew hard, and he did not heed them, just as the Lord had said.
Now, why I want us to see this scripture, it is because when we are dealing with the walls of Babylon, spiritual